thunderstorm was located over Estrella Mountain Ranch, or near Goodyear, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Avondale, Goodyear, Cashion, Phoenix International Raceway, Estrella Mountain Park, and Estrella Mountain Ranch. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona,